Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, we're showing you how to clear cache in Brave. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the browser. Now go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. Now click on Settings. In here, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Privacy and Security. Now in here, we have Delete Browsing Data. So just click on it. Now a fun shortcut right here, you can just go ahead and easily press Control plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. As you can see here, we have the same page. Okay. Now in here, just go and leave cached images and files. Okay. You can go ahead over to Advanced as well. And we have that option. So going back to basic, just leave it right here and just click on Delete Data. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you're good to go. All right. That's basically how you do it. That's how easy it is to clear cache in Brave. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.